not do it? Huh. Hi everyone, I'm in Bangkok and today I will eat 5 dishes from 5 different places that you cannot miss when you come to Bangkok. And now it's 9 a.m. I will go grab a breakfast at Klong Toei Market. Alright, let's go! Did you recognize this kind of market? In Chiang Mai we also have one. It's like Phed Market, Gạt Mueang Mai. I think I have that video already. The people, they're working so hard since early morning. I just asked the people around here that where we can find food to eat, and then she was over there, let's go. And we will see what is waiting for us there. You guys have to know, this Klong Toei Market, most of the thing is like ingredients for cooking. But if you want to buy something to eat, you have to cross to another side, that is food market. It's like what I want to eat. Khao niao mu ping. This is a breakfast for Thai people and she's closed already. So a bit sad, but why not? I will eat a grilled chicken with sticky rice instead. Or maybe we can have a drink too. Sticky rice, 10 baht. It's a bit not much as Chiang Mai. In Chiang Mai, 10 baht we have more, but it's fine. Eat like this. And then a big bite of chicken. So good. Look how heavy the chicken is. I'm afraid the wood stick will be break, you know. When you want to have a good breakfast in Thailand, wake up early. They just finished cooking and everything is still fresh, still hot, still warm. So good. If you have chance to come to Klong Toei Market, make sure that it's not too late. You use the bridge to cross the road, right? And then you will see the food market. And then you walk until at the very end. You will see this guy grill the chicken on the left side. Trust me, it's well worth it. Only 40 baht. And alright, I will go to the next step to meet my friend there. And see you! Guess where I am? Can you see the yellow background? Chili. Yes. Here is Phed Mark. Do you know Mark? This is his restaurant in Bangkok. It's about Pad Kapao. And what I heard is it's super spicy. And since I love spicy, so I want to know how spicy he can cook. Oh, I smell spicy, and that is the taste of yummy. Cannot wait to try. Can you see this? This is the yolk from duck egg.
How are you doing?
I'm good. This is my friend Matt, and you know he have a very cool vlog about Thailand.
Yeah, and I live just around here, so I'm really good to see you in Bangkok.
Yeah.
And now let's eat.
Let's eat. It's very spicy.
Okay,
It's
I can
very
handle
funny.
it, I think. Okay, go for it. I want to see your reaction. Okay, is it spicy for you?
It's not that spicy for now. But yeah, it's not to be a bit spicy.
Yeah, and after the kick up.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not that bad. Not as bad as
Oh yeah, but it's hot. Now my throat is like have fire. But it's a good hot, you know, like good spicy.
It's spicy, but it doesn't hurt. Like you get the pepper and the chili, and with the egg, it's pretty well balanced. It doesn't hurt just to hurt, like sometimes for us, like Thai food does. Like a really spicy sometimes, like sometimes it's too much and you don't enjoy it.
But this one?
This one you can enjoy, yeah. That's really good. But it kicks in. Oh. Okay, I'm not doing that.
You think I cannot do it? Huh?
This has to hurt. Don't pretend it's okay. Wait, come on.
It's not yet, it's not yet. Still,
Chew it.
still here.
Enjoy.
I start to have a spinach. Yeah.
Now you've got the look.
Yeah. Water, please.
No. Look at the camera and say it's nothing.
I feel nothing. Nothing happened.
It's also really funny that they use duck egg and not chicken egg.
Yeah, because the duck egg they have a, like I said, bigger yolk, and the taste is more sweet and more.
Okay, so it's better for the
Yeah,
balance
yeah.
with spices. Makes sense. Yeah, it's really good and it helps a lot. Like you need.
This is really either.
What you drinking? Chocolate milk. Anything sweet will kill the spice. And if you can see, like I'm crying now.
Oh yeah.
I'm not playing. I'm not like cleaning it because I want you to see like my nose is running, my eyes are like crying. I need chocolate milk. I'm done with the. I'm done with the spice.
It was very happy for me to try his pad kapao because yeah, it's super spicy. I like it. So what do you think?
If you really want to enjoy it, don't take the really spicy stuff. I barely survived and now I'm gonna go back to work. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the trip in Bangkok.
All right,
and I'll
see you.
soon.
Yep. Bye. Now we are going to eat khao man gai, and I'm not alone. I come with my friend. Hi. Her name is Win. Hungry? Right. Okay, let's go. Khao man gai. crispy one, crispy chicken.
Good.
Because it's still crispy. Normally, the khao man gai restaurant like this, the crispy one is not crispy anymore because they cook in morning.
Yeah.
And now it's afternoon late already,
Yeah.
right? But it's
Right.
still crispy. Impressive. Now let's try the boiled one. Same. Normally the chicken breast, at least where I ate before, is very dry. But for this one, even it's chicken breast, it's still tender, juicy
Nice.
also.
Nice.
Mm.
So you just try fish oil sauce, the boiled chicken here.
Yeah, I think you guys should come to try because it's very nice. And where is it again?
And it is in the Pratunam intersections.
Pratunam.
Yeah.
Okay. I will give the Google Map in description. Yeah, you have to try. It's very nice.
Yeah.
And it's just 40 baht. 40, 50.
Yeah. 50 and 50.
Yeah, 50 baht. Huh?
50. Normal price.
It's normal, very, very normal price.
Yeah. Normally that over here it's always busy with the tourists. So when it comes here, all the time that I saw many people just waiting in front of this restaurant.
It's very busy even with Thai people. Thai people a lot.
Yeah. Also.
So see, when you want to try street food, if you see many Thai people come in the store, in the restaurant, it means it's good, huh? Yeah, so have to try. After khao man gai, we are going to eat dessert, and that dessert Thai people really like it. It is what it is?
Toast bread.
It is bread, yes, topping with many different kind like Thai tea, coffee, condensed milk. Yeah, let me show you. Actually, in Thai, it's like ขนมปังสังขยา. Yeah, it's like a steamed bread, and then we have the sweet dipping on the side, like Thai iced tea, panda nut, like many things. Actually, I will show you. Like this.ร้อน It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. How to say it's sweet, but it's also smell good of panda nut and still taste of it. And the bread is very soft. Right? This one too. But this is belong to my friend.
Yeah. So this one is kinda like more original one because of they're gonna put just only the butter and sugar, so they're gonna toast on it so that you can feel the texture.
Talk
It's
too
more.
much. You like it, huh?
Just
I think it can hide my face. Cheese on top. Very sweet.
I have another idea.
Actually, you know, ขนมปังสังขยา you can find it very easy almost everywhere in Thailand, especially in the morning and in the evening, because yeah, Thai people sometimes like to eat in the breakfast, right? Yeah. And have some soy milk or milk on the side. And for the evening, yeah, it's like after you have your meals, you will have this.
Yeah.
Mm.
Alright.
I
I like this one too.
Wow guys, I eat a lot all day. I'm very full. If you want to see more content, oh yeah, bye bye. If you want to see more content like this, or you want me to come back to Bangkok to show you more street food, tell me in the comment. And if you want to see more vlogs like this, go check that. Yes. And don't forget to subscribe. Chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I don't know when. Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.